This is for the over 500,000 people who follow me on all of social media. I have a little life update. I want to run some stuff by you. So if I could borrow like a few minutes of your time, I would appreciate it. I've been making finance content for over 6 years now. And the truth is, I feel like I've kind of said everything I have to say. Everything that I have will remain here on TikTok. My 40 plus playlists to help you learn how to invest or trade stocks or live below your means, they're here. My YouTube channel with over a dozen playlists and more long form content, it remains. It's there. My website with dozens of free resources. Let me just show you really quickly. Just go right here, click on the menu, which is right here, and all of these resources are free. It's not going anywhere. I'm not taking down my content. I'm not closing the page. I'm not quitting. And by the way, that playlist content catalog that you saw just now under the menu, if you have questions and I'm not here to answer them as frequently, you can just search for stuff that I've already made videos on, and chances are you'll find it. Okay, so what's next? Where am I going? What's going on? Well, I've decided that I want to start writing some screenplays. I had to go get them. I got a whole bunch of books on how to write screenplays because I have no idea what I'm doing, although I did hire a writing coach and he's fantastic. I'll tag him below. But if you got any Hollywood connections, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. So send me a DM if you know of anyone who could help. I definitely need the help. And I'm dealing with a little bit of burnout. Like I said, I've been doing this for 6 years. I mean, there's only so many times you can answer a video on what is a dividend or how to research a stock, so it gets a tad bit repetitive. Not only that, and this is on me, but I've moved a lot of my content politically to the left, which means that the very loud and very angry minority is flooding my comments, which makes it seem like it's just nonstop hate, when in reality, this is one of my videos recently. 1,000 likes, 400 comments, and a lot of these were very angry comments, but overwhelmingly, people liked the video. But the most reasonable and intelligent people do not waste their time fighting unwinnable battles in the comment section with people who are allergic to facts and don't want to hear opposing sides. They hit the like and then they move on. Here are some of the broad changes I'm going to be making. I used to post around 6 to 10 videos per week. No more. I'm posting like 1 or 2, max. If you leave hate speech or insults, I'm deleting your comment and I'm blocking you. I don't care if you disagree with me, and I don't care if you want to leave a comment saying why you think I'm wrong. Great, but if you can't do so maturely, blocked and deleted. And if you don't like my opinion, you can be a big boy and just ignore the content of mine that you don't agree with and watch the content that you like. Or you can leave comments like this, although I promise you I really don't care if you unfollow, which you can do. If it really bothers you, you can unfollow. It's okay. And I don't need messages. I really don't care. Speaking of which, if you're not following me, I'm not responding. Whether it's a honest question about like, hey, how do I do this? I have a question about this. I'm not responding anymore. And especially if it's something mean or stupid or insignificant, I'm definitely not wasting my time on those. I ask for very little as a content creator, but if you can't do the bare minimum, like hitting that follow button, I'm just not wasting my time anymore. And let's talk about my lives here on TikTok. 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. That's done. I'm not doing Tuesday and Thursday anymore. I'll maintain the Sunday one, but the Tuesday and Thursday lives, they're over. Lately, my lives have turned into this endless loop of me repeating myself over and over and over and over. I swear I could just record one live and repost it every single day and no one would know because they all sound identical. I mean, if you're a regular, you got to admit, they're just the same thing over and over. If I had $1 for every time someone asked me if they should buy NVIDIA or sell NVIDIA, buy Kava or sell Kava, buy Tesla or sell Tesla, what do I think about Tesla? What do I think about NVIDIA? Why did this thing happen that you could just very easily Google yourself? Or, hey, I saw your video on this stock and you said you owned it, so I just put my whole life savings into it. Was that a good idea? It's exhausting. As I am focusing on my next steps, which are hopefully, as a screenwriter, I will be posting way less for the foreseeable future. No, it does not mean I'm quitting. No, it does not mean you'll never see another video or another live stream from me, but I am stepping back a little bit. But I am not going anywhere, and I will not allow the loud minority to censor me or to make me stop talking. They don't get to have a say in what I talk about on my own platform. All right, see you soon.